How do companies decide when to build their products? Today we are comparing two core inventory strategies, make to order and make to stock. Choosing between these models changes how a business manages cash, risk, and customer expectations. Choosing between making to order or stocking your shelves can define your entire business model, so let's break down which path fits you best. Make to stock requires holding significant inventory, which increases costs, whereas make to order keeps those holding costs near zero. Make to order is the go-to for luxury goods or industrial equipment where customization is the main selling point. Make to stock is perfect for retail items like toothpaste or basic t-shirts, where availability is more important than customization. If a business cannot accurately forecast demand, they risk ending up with warehouses full of unsold items, hurting their bottom line. If your customers are willing to wait, you can save money by making to order. If they want it now, you must make to stock. Thanks for watching. Understanding these operational models is key to analyzing business health. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.